We will now continue with the Algebra 2 Unit 1 test review. This time we're going to be doing problems 5 through 8. And solving equations, the general guidelines are you want to typically distribute first. After that, combine any like terms that you have on each side. Next, you will isolate variables and constants, meaning get the variables on one side, constants on the other. And then you're going to solve. So if we look at problem number 5, we have parentheses on the right side, so we're going to distribute on the right. So we leave the left side alone. When we distribute the negative 4 through, negative 4 times the negative 2x will be a positive 8x. The negative 4 times the negative 5 will be a positive 20. We then look for like terms on the right side. We got the 20 minus 3. So those will be like terms. So everything else stays the same. And the 20 minus 3 should give us 17. At this point, we want to isolate the variables. I like working with positive variables, positive coefficients. So I'm going to subtract the 6x to the other side. Note, it does not make a difference which way you do it. You'll just be dividing by a different number in the end. So the 6x minus 6x cancel out. 8x minus 6x will be 2x. Now we'll want to get the constants to the other side, so I'm going to move the minus 17 over. (11 minus 17 will give us a negative 6, equals a positive 2x. At this point, I'd like to note, if you'd done it the other way around, you probably have negative 2x equals a positive 6. Either way works, you'll get to the same spot. At this point, I'm dividing by 2. And our answer for problem number 5 should be negative 3. Moving on to number 6. This time the parentheses are on the left side, so we're going to be distributing the negative 5 through the parentheses. Negative 5 times the 7x should give us negative 35x. Negative 5 times the positive 5 will give us negative 25. This time both sides only have two terms, one variable, one constant, so no like terms to add together. Once again, I prefer to work with positive coefficients on my variables, so I'm going to add the 35x to both sides. And this should give us a positive 28x. Next, I want the constants on the same side, so I'm going to subtract the 31 over. The negative 25 and the minus 31 should give me a negative 56. At this point, we divide by the 28. And x equals negative 2. All right, for 7, this time we have parentheses on both sides, so we're going to distribute on both sides of the equation. On the left, we're distributing the negative 9 through, so we should get negative 9p. Negative 9 times negative 11 will actually give us a positive 99. Negative 12 times 2p should give us a negative 24p. Negative 12 times the negative 12 should give us a positive 144. Once again, I like working with positive coefficients on my variables, so I'm actually going to add the 24p to both sides. Negative 9 and a positive 24 means I should have a positive 15p there. Those will cancel, and we're looking at 144 on the right side of the equation. So to get the constants on the other side, we're going to subtract the 99. So we should end up with 15p equaling 45. Divide by the 15. And we should be getting p equals 3 anytime now. There we go, maybe. Moving on to number 8. Moving on to number 8. This time, once again, we got parentheses on both sides. We're going to have to distribute the negative 11 on the left. And we're going to have to distribute a positive 9, finally, on the right. Negative 11 times 11 will give us negative 121. Negative 11 times the negative 9p should give us a positive 99p. On the other side, 9 times negative 10 will give us negative 90. And 9 times 11p should give us 99p. So we want to get the variables on the same side. So we're going to subtract the 99p from both sides. Helps if I get both 9s in there for the 99. And note something weird happens here. The 99p minus 99p cancel out. The 99p minus 99p also cancel out on the right, leaving us the statement negative 121 equals negative 90. This is not a true statement. Negative 121 definitely does not equal negative 90. So we got a false statement. So that means in this case, we have a no solution.